Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna go ahead and install some BurgerTuning spacers. Might I say, the best spacers in the game. That's gotta get done. So look what we got here from BurgerTuning. Two sets of wheel spacers. So for the fronts, I went with 15mm, and then for the rears, I went for the 20mm. I don't know if I wanted to go 20-20 or 15-20. I decided to go 15-20. We'll test it out, and worst comes to worst, I'll go ahead and place an order for a 20 as well. I always need spacers for the E-chassis. I always end up getting E-chassis, so it's not the end of the world for me. But yeah, guys, look at the packaging as well. This looks so sick. So anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes, and first thing you can see is right here this tool that you guys get when you order two sets of wheel spacers. So opening this up, we do get this tool, and basically what this tool allows you to do is guide the wheel onto the hub, and at the same time when you put this in, it helps you guide the spacer in there and the wheel. So it's like a win-win. It just helps putting on the wheel so much easier, considering that you actually have to hold up the wheel, put in the lug nuts. This thing will hold the wheel up for you, so it's such, you guys will see how I use this. It's so handy. You guys will get this absolutely for free when you order two sets. Comes with extended lug nuts, comes with the spacers, and as you guys can see, it also comes with a, it's kind of like an anti-seize gel. If you guys want to buy like a bottle, like the cheapest bottle from AutoZone is like $8. So they give you the little packets for each one, and you basically put it against your hub and the spacer so that it comes off and on pretty easy. It doesn't just stick on there and get seized up. And what's also nice about BurgerTuning spacers, as you guys can see, there's little cutouts all around over here that helps you pull it out, worst comes to worst, if it gets jammed. But it shouldn't get jammed since you also include the gel. So these spacers were really well thought out, and that's why I like BurgerTuning stuff. They're really well engineered, very sturdy stuff, and also look really good in black. It say BurgerTuning right there, so it's super sick. Some spacers don't even tell you the size on them, you just have to guess. So this one is a 15mm, and this one's clearly a 20mm. This is pretty sick. I love how organized and neat this looks. So looking at it, guys, from the top, you know, it caves in a lot. It caves in absolutely a ton. So we want to make sure this tire can stick out as much as possible. What we're going to be using for that is BurgerTuning's kit, like I said, guys. So go ahead and install these bad boys.
Ay, coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again.
Guys, look how much better that is. Actually, it's completely, I don't know if you guys can see that. It is 100% flush with the, that looks absolutely insane. Oh my god, guys, it looks so much more meatier. This tire's sticking out from the front. Michelin tires as well. Look at it from the rear. Perfect fitment. I'm super happy with 20s in the rear. Hopefully 15s in the front was the right decision. Oh my god, guys, that looks phenomenal. Especially on springs, this isn't bad. This really isn't that bad. Considering it's still a very comfortable, bouncy ride, this is absolutely perfect. I'm so happy with this fitment. Oh my god, guys, let's go ahead and let me show you guys the other side real quick. Like, look at the difference. Like, where is the wheel on this side? Like, look how big of a difference that is, and it's barely any tire poke from the rear here compared to on this side. Look at that tire poke. Oh my god, girth nation. From the front as well, not much, but oh my god, let's go ahead and do this side.
You want it cause the yam's enormous, what's an ass, since she isn't gorgeous. Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman, trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, did it like the Porsches.
Alright guys, so from terrible fitment to absolutely amazing fitment, that looks so much better. Only if this car was a little bit lower, but these springs did make a huge difference. If you guys only saw the monster truck hype before, this is at least equal gaps all the way around. Looks a lot better. These Michelin tires look really good at this fitment and everything. And bam, look at that. That's super flush. So hopefully the fronts are not as bad, but they're still pretty bad. So we have 15s for the front. Let's see if I made the right decision. Was 15s right, or should I went with 20s? Let's go ahead and make a difference here. But yeah, here's how it looks now. Pretty horrific. And so guys, here's the before, and this is the after, guys. Check out that fitment. Absolutely perfect. I think I went ahead and did perfect in the front. So 15s in the front really make this thing aggressive. Look how the tire sticks out the rear, and then 20s in the rear. Perfect fitment. If this car had coilovers, it would be absolutely insane. Since the tire is a little bit tucked in, it would literally come down super low. It looks super insane. It might be something that I'll consider down the road. Maybe. It depends if I keep this car or not. But oh my god, this side's looking phenomenal, guys. So yeah, this tuck, not happening. Let's go ahead and fix that real quick. And just like that, guys, check it out. That looks so much better. This is how OEM fitment should be. Guys, look how aggressive that looks. Look how much the wheel pokes. It really makes the wheels stand out. That looks absolutely insane. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but no, you guys have to see the difference. It is insane, guys. Every time I get wheel spacers, that has to be from BurgerTuning, because for some reason I always get lucky and they're super easy to install. Especially considering they're actually adding that lubricant now, because if you don't have that, you're gonna have to hammer it on, and if you hammer it on, good luck getting it off. That's just all I have to say. This car is really coming together. Okay, so something that I am noticing, and this isn't like over exaggerating, the car already feels like a boat, but now it feels a little bit more wider. So it does feel a little bit more planted, I'm not gonna lie, when it comes around turns. I don't know if that's because of the spacers or because I'm actually paying attention to it, but it could be, you know, those things where you actually, like, if you try to pay attention to something, you might notice something. I think I do see a noticeable difference when it comes to turning and handling. It does feel like it is a little bit wider, a little bit more planted, I'm not gonna lie.